Your landing page is not an Ikea store, it's a creme brulee. You know, when you enter an Ikea store, it's like entering a maze. There's no way out except at the end. You have to pass all the departments, because they want us to check as many stuff as possible. Your landing page is not the same. Most of you should think twice. What's the purpose of your landing page? To inform people of everything you are doing or to get your customers? Yes, that's simple. So inform or get customers. If you want customers, don't let them wander through the maze of information, but give them just two options. So to say, I'm interested by giving you contact info, or leave. And let me explain why. Imagine a crowd of people that just have their meals. That's how you should think about your potential clients. Fed up, flooded with solutions. Now ask them if they want to eat something. Not many would say yes because they just have their meal. If you ask if anybody wants dessert, more hands would rise. But if you ask who wants some creme brulee, that would be another story, don't you think so? Because there's always room for some creme brulee. Now here you are with your offer, one of many thrown at them daily. You might be excellent in 1001 thing, but your future customers don't care. Do you really think they would enter the maze of your web page searching for a golden nugget for them? Don't think so. If your main thing is augmented reality, show them what they will get. Don't describe features and 5 other tools that you offer. If your customers want a hoe, give them the drill and nothing else. It's not about you, it's about them. You don't want to confuse them. If you confuse them, you lose them. Customers need to see only 3 things on your landing page. What do you offer? How will it make their life better? And third, what do they have to do to get it? That's simple. So if you want to see an example, go to my landing page, progress.guru, and you'll see what I'm talking about. If you want or need something similar, DM me a landing page and we'll do it for you.